Um, oh, this is the last match I played. Okay, I don't know what's happening, but like Creative Destruction is not working with me today. I just did the last video and like it was laggy, like this was happening, so I might have to cancel the video. I don't know. Let's just hope that. Yeah, and this loading part took forever. Like it took so long. Alright, I'll see you guys when this loading is done. Alright guys, but besides that horrible intro, hey guys, welcome to another video. It's Phantom Wolf, and we will be playing Creative Destruction on a PC. Man, them invisible people, finally they show up. Besides that too, you know, like, it skips the whole thing. What the heck? I'm gonna just jump instantly, I don't really care. Yeah, and last time it wouldn't even let me jump, so like, I was gonna do a stream, but it wouldn't let me do a stream, so I did a video. But I did say I'll shout out my friend Emily. Go subscribe to Strong Arm. I think that's her YouTube channel. I gotta double check. I'll put the link in the description though for her YouTube channel. In this one, like, I will actually put the link in the description. A lot of videos, I said I'll do that. I'll put the link in the description. I never have. This time I have. That's because I used to do a lot of stuff on mobile, but now I'm on the PC. Yeah. So someone already has a gun. I also have a gun. Lag is also happening. Settings. Pickup. Or pickup off. What? Did I just glitch up here? I think I just did. Okay. Did some good damage. No! Come on, let me in! Ammo. No. I'm so dead, I'm so dead, I'm so dead. Dude, if someone steals that kill, I'm actually gonna be mad. Oh, here's the base I made and glitched through the ceiling. You can't touch me. Oh my. The chest! What was the button? There it is. Oh no! Mats, yes. I'm trying to down setting. Oh my gosh. Sadie, what? Turn it down. I don't want to get copyrighted. Can I pick that? I don't need the ammo. One sec, guys. And we're back, guys. Alright. Nice little kill we got right there. Wait, where? Crap. Sniper maybe? Bro, no. He's hacking. He has to have an aimbot. No way he hit me from all the way over there. I can see, like, he probably has a sniper, but, like, from all the way over there, I'm not buying it. Ooh. I gotta turn auto pickup. I may need auto pickup right back on. Yeah, I'm gonna turn it right back on. Settings. Auto pickup. So I don't need that. It doesn't even seem like a sniper, unless it's a semi-auto sniper. Like, bro, stop it. Oh, he can touch this. Oh no, he can. He can. Okay, stop it. Chill. Oh my gosh, man, this guy is actually annoying. Settings. I'm gonna pick up material. So firearm, no. Traps. Oh yeah, that's all I want. It's a chest up here. Hopefully it has some bandages. Or like a med kit, or like sniper. Oh my gosh, how annoying could this guy be? What was it? I forgot what it was called. No! No! I hate this game. I forgot the button to place. It was Z, wasn't it? I forgot the button. But we'll dance to it. We'll dance on my dead body. Because, you know, why not? Alright, I don't think it's loading that slow anymore. No need to pause. No need to pause. There we go. What the heck? He just skipped them all. Okay, so we're not gonna land right here because that's the snow. Okay, so like, where is it? It's right there. No. We're going to Sky Eye, I guess. Oh, this is the place I died at. Great. Let's hope somebody other person doesn't have an aimbot over here. Okay, someone else is landing. So one guy landing. I don't know why I'm landing here. I die here a lot. Let's at least try to get one dub. Come on. And if the video ends and I don't say the outro, like, it's because I did some stuff with my YouTube thing. Give me bother the recording. I'll probably just make a part 2 to it or something. I don't know. No, not me. Oh my gosh, man. Really? Of course I suck when I go on YouTube. I haven't got to drive a car yet. I want to drive one. No, I was right there. Someone's name is Water. Let's go. Because we all love water. Yeah, I drink water's blood. Tastes good. Oh, it's like one to our I'm gonna just jump instantly. Stop sizzling.
Yeah.
I know. I'm gonna land right here. I'm gonna beast it, alright? Oh, yes. No! He had a shotgun. Well, I officially suck on camera. Alright guys, that'll be it for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and leave a like, subscribe, hit that bell so you'll always be notified for when I make another video. Alright, see ya, peace!